I studied biomedical engineering in college, which isn't your normal major that you'd pick to become a transmission engineer. But luckily my curriculum as a biomedical engineer gave me experience in mechanical and electrical engineering, so I have a bit of background in that. Whenever I did graduate from Mississippi State and I was looking for opportunities, I actually met with Empirical at the career fair. And I really liked the people that I met there, and even though it wasn't an exact fit for my major, it was in my hometown, and I knew it was something that I was interested in doing. So from there, I just applied and luckily got the job. And that's kind of how I've ended up in this position. Our transmission and distribution group does a really good job of putting on a boot camp training. So it's like a 2-week intensive boot camp where we learn everything that you need to know to be able to start as a transmission engineer. I felt like with that's really what I needed and kind of all I needed to be able to start in my position. Obviously you need your engineering background and the stuff you learn in school. But using that boot camp really gave me the start that I needed to excel in my position. When you start as an Engineer 1 or a transmission and distribution line engineer, you'll receive a project that is composed of 1 to 5 poles. The poles are scoped for different types of work. Normally the client will tell us if the pole is identified as being damaged, if the cross arms are identified as damaged, or if there are broken insulators on the pole. From there, what we do is we actually model the existing conditions out in the field. We're able to use LiDAR to kind of map the area and use it to capture the existing tensions and to analyze the existing poles themselves. Teamwork is very critical to our day-to-day activities at Empirical, and especially with the transmission and distribution design team. We're constantly working together to review models, work through difficult scenarios and situations, and really without teamwork and communication, nothing would be able to get accomplished. My favorite part of working at Empirical is the people. Really, it's what I look forward to every day when I come into work. My coworkers and the people who I'm interacting with on a day-to-day basis really make it a fun environment. We work hard, but we're also able to have a good time and laugh together, and I think that's what really makes it special. And particularly at Empirical, I think that's something that sets us apart.